Hi guys, it's Kanyisa again, and I am back with a very powerful strategy. I call it the moving average strategy, aka the golden eggs strategy. So we're gonna go into our MT5, right? Okay, I already have set it up. I'm gonna delete everything so that I can show you how to set up. So I'm going to delete everything so that I can show you how to set up, right? Let me go into maybe our favorite is Crash 500. Okay, good. So go to your little F up there. When you get to your little F, you go moving average on trend. So our parameters is going to be period 300, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to weighted close, then style, it's 3 pixel. Your color is, I choose black. You can choose the color of your choice. You say done. That's the line that I'm looking for, right? And then again, you're going to that little F again. You say main chart. You go to moving average. Your period is period 100. Period 100. Shift 0. Method linear weight. Apply to previous indicators data. Your style is 3 pixel, and then your color is gold, but you can choose any other color of your choice, and that's what I have. But then we need our Windows indicator, because we can't trade. Like, anyone who trades without a Windows indicator is committing a suicide, financial suicide. So we're gonna add the indicator. So you press your main chart, you go to oscillators. So ours is stochastic oscillator, and those are your parameters. K period is 1, D period is 1, slowing 1, price field low high, method simple, style, your main is 2 pixel, your color is white if your background is white, it's black if your background is black. The signal is 2 pixel, also the color is white if the background is white, and black if the background is black. And then you go into levels. Your level, you have level 20 and your level 80. Your level 20 is oversold, your level 80 is overbought. Style is 2 pixel, and then your color is black, right? So you're gonna go back and then you say done, right? Okay, it didn't do, I don't know. Oh, okay, then it did. We have our stochastic oscillator. We now have our stochastic oscillator. So now here is what you're going to do. You're gonna add on an indicator Windows 1 into our stochastic oscillator. We're gonna add the moving average. So you say moving average, you say period 300. You're gonna do the same way as you did on the main chart. Period 300, shift 0, linear weight, apply to weighted close, style, it's 3 pixel, and then we choose black, and then you say done. Again, you go to that F again, you say that indicator Windows 1, you say moving average, you say 100, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to previous indicators data, style is 3 pixel, and then my color is gonna be gold this time. You say done. There, that's what I'm looking for, guys. I have already told you that I use this to indicate for me whether the price is an uptrend, whether the trend is an uptrend or a downtrend. But you can also use this strategy to trade, and it's a powerful strategy that many traders are using to trade your boom 1000, your synthetic indices. They use it to trade your gold, they use it to trade your VIX 75, volatility 75, volatility 100, all the other volatilities. They use it to trade your gold, your NAS 100. So you can use it. It's up to you. It's your choice. You can use it to trade any instrument of your choice. Okay. I just want to delete that. I just want to delete that line, that object. Okay, good. You see, when your lines crosses each other above the 80 line, you see on your stochastic it crossed over there above the 80 line, you are going to sell. When it crosses below the 80 line, the 20 line, I'm sorry, when it crosses below the 20 line, you are going to buy. So the condition, if it crosses above the 80 line, you sell, and you choose when to close, when to take your profit. When it crosses below the 20 line, you are going to buy. So please guys, when it crosses in between, or it's unclear, don't do anything. Just make sure that you understand. You see, because sometimes it doesn't cross above or below, it just crosses in between. So don't act, just leave the market alone if it's acting funny, right? Okay, so here is how the strategy works. It crossed here, on the main chart it crossed, and then on your stochastic it crossed below the oversold, below the 20 line. So you were going to buy. So you were going to buy somewhere there, which means if you bought there, if you bought somewhere here, you were going to get all that profit, So the strategy is, when the gold line touches the 80 line, you take your profit. It works the same way even when it's going down, right? So here you see that it crossed here, it crossed above the 80 line, it crossed on the main chart. So you were going to buy maybe somewhere around here. When it crosses, you were going to sell, or you were going to sell maybe somewhere around here. So when you sell, let's say you sell, okay, let's say you sell somewhere here. So you were going to get that profit. Okay, that was actually quick to close, but you were not going to lose anything. You were going to make a profit, and then when it touches the 20 line, you close, right? Let's check the other instruments. We can check what was that? That was crash 500. We can check boom 1000. You see, it crossed right there. It crossed that right there. So you were going to buy maybe somewhere here. So it went up, and it's still going up, right? And it crossed here on above the 80 line. So you were going to sell somewhere here, and then when you sell there, you were going to get all that profit. When it touches the 80 line, you are going to take the 20 line. So when you buy, when it touches the 20 line, you take your profit. When you when you sell, when it touches the 20 line, you take your profit. When you buy, when it touches the 80 line, you take your profit. Okay, here is another thing that about this strategy that I didn't get at first. You have your time frames, right? So for me, before I do any action, before I buy or sell, I make sure that I check all the time frames, just to see if the market is a downtrend or an uptrend. So let's see here. I said this is boom 1000, right? So you're gonna check your M1. You can see like on your M1 it's an uptrend. Your M5 it's an uptrend. Oh no, that's M15. Your M5 it's an uptrend. So you are safe. You know that, okay, when I buy, I know that my market will not disappoint, right? Because there is no 100% strategy. So let me check volatility 75, because I created this mostly for volatility 75. Okay, we go, you see, look. So here it crossed above the 80 line. You were going to make all that profit, right? You were going to make all that profit. There it crossed below the 20 line. You were going to buy. You make your profit. Okay. It crossed above the 80 line. You were going to sell here. Then you were going to get all that profit. Okay, let's check our different time frames. We have M1, M5, it's a downtrend. M15, it's a downtrend, so you are confident. So for me, if I check my time frames and they don't correspond, I don't take that trade. I just relax and do other things. So guys, there are many other strategies that I want to share, but I would like for you to subscribe into my channel so that I will know that I am sharing important information to people that are interested. So just click that subscribe button for more videos. When I see more subscriptions, then I am more encouraged to do more videos. Voila.